Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about that how we can generate how we can create design our presentation for the school, college, universities, and we can also give presentations to our in our office. Okay, and the presentations mean that you are going to present your idea according to your view. Okay, like according to your perspective, according to your analysis, according to your observations, fine, according to your predictions. And when I'm going to talk about the PowerPoint presentation, I have used MS PowerPoint. Okay, you can also use it. And for creating or designing the PowerPoint presentation, some basic rules that should be kept in mind when you are going to present or when you are going to design your presentation. Okay, let's start with it. First thing is that you should have a proper title, a title of your interest. You can also are the title that has given to you. And another thing is, after title you can also use the subtitle. Subtitles mean that subtitle mean you are going to submit it by or submit it to, if you are going to present your presentation to in your school, university, or college. And if it is for office, fine, then you can use presentation. You can say that the presentation is made by, fine, in case of office. After that, you can also say that what should be an ideal presentation. Then ideal presentation must have 15 to 20 slides. 15 to 20 slides, in which one slide of intro that shows your title, and the last slide of thank you slide. Okay, our thank you are the slide of asking your audience that do you have any question about your presentation or about your topic, about your perspective. Okay, this actually makes an impression regarding your topic. And you can also score good if you are going to present your topic over your university, college, or schools. After that, you can use only pictures. If you are unable to write each and everything over here, you can use images, fine, or the pictures over here that shows, that reflects your idea, that reflects what are you going to say to your audience. I have seen many people who are using only pictures to just telling audience that what they are going to say and what they want in future. And when you are going to talk about some diseases, there are the different topics that are that must have some background. Okay, an intro. An ideal presentation is, first you have a good title. After that, you know about the background of that title, the introduction of that title, the main perspective of that title, and then the ending of that title. If you are going to have a presentation on some kind of disease, then you know about their background, their symptoms, their treatments, and their relative perspective on the future. After that, you can have animations. First, you should have the designs. Okay, by using designs, it will make your presentation more impressive. And animation, you can also animations over here, fine, transitions over here. And when you are want the transitions in your presentation, then you might select some kind of text over here, fine. You can use columns. And you can also take help from Google, but you should know that when you are going to take some text or the picture, the image from the Google, you should not be, that work should not be, that your task must not be plagiarized. Okay, let's move toward that how we can generate our presentation. If I have a topic of lung cancer, okay, fine, and the subtitle you can use that made by, okay, and now you can place your name over here, or you can also use the submitted by or submitted to. Okay, submitted by means the creator, the designer of the presentation, and the submitted to whom you are going to represent your presentation. After that, you should use some design, and here are the different designs over here. I'm going to select this design over here, fine, and in case of the transition, I'm going to select this type of text or any kind of text. And here is the transition. These are the different types of the transition. You can use any one of them. I'm going to use the random bars. Fine. After that, animations. In case of animation, you also need to select some text, and this is lung cancer. When I'm going to use this text, then I can also use the different animation for it. Fine. Add animations mean you can also add animations over here, and if you are going to have a background image, then you can copy or take picture from by insert option from anywhere, like the online pictures, screenshots, photo album, pictures, and you can paste over here, and after that you can use it as some like background. Fine. And I'm going to take picture lung cancer for only this to cover this side. Then I have already used that. This is the picture, copy image and paste over here. Now, one important thing that should be in your mind is what? When you are clicking on this format option, okay, it means the picture you are going to formatting your picture. You can crop from over here, and if you want to maximize its pixel by not affecting its clearance, then you can maximize it over from here. Yes, it has been maximized. Okay, so this is my intro slide, and this is also my title slide. After that, you can also enter over here and go to the new slide, duplicate slide, and you can also delete that slide, add section and layout. The different layouts over here. You can use the title in the context, section header, to content, and all of these. You can also try all of these layouts, and the reset slide as also. I'm going to select new slide. Okay, now you can see where lung cancer. Fine, and here you can say the some about the background, and you can say also that what is the lung cancer actually means. Okay, so here is the lung cancer. I can use the different things over here, yeah, different options over here. Fine, this is the lung cancer. That actually shows me about its background. You can use text from here, but when you are going to use text from here, you should not be like this. Fine, you should have to convert it to your own words. So here is that picture, copy image and go and paste over here. Now you can also format from here, just maximize its pixels so that it should not be blurry. Okay, fine. You can also use this picture as background, send to back. Fine, send to back, send backward, change picture. You can also change picture over here, save as picture, format picture. And when you're going to format picture, there are the different options over here, that how can you want to format over here. If you seem that it seems that it's blurry, then you can also use it. Then you can also take picture from another website are Clear Picture. Hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget